Today I'd like to tell you all a story about a dog with human teeth. Wait a minute. I'll just let him tell you the story. Take it, Paplusu.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
It's a dog with human teeth.
I'm just a dog with human teeth. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, that's me. Look at them as I smile with glee with my out of place human teeth. If I bite you, it would be weird, but I won't, so don't you be scared. I'm just a dog with human teeth.